So right here's the plug we're going to be going through, guys. Right here's the oil passage. It's going to go through the block, through the filter, up, and then probably the crankshaft and camshaft. And it's going to come up through the, eventually we want it up through the rockers here, and the oil pump's right behind the cover. So we're going to take this plug out, 8mm Allen, and I already broke it loose. It wasn't too bad, but if it's never been out, it might be a little rough getting out. We're going to screw our 16mm fitting in there. It don't have to be super tight. 3/8 to quarter reducer, 1/4 to 1/8 reducer. Like I said, guys, that's just what I had laying around. If you got a 3/8 down to an 8, or whatever size hose you're using, really is what you should be doing. But however you can make it work. We'll just snug all this stuff down. That's plenty good enough. We're just going to jam this hose on there. I really should make sure there ain't no water in there. Looks like straight oil. There it is. We're just going to pump this guy up and start putting oil through the system. And we're going to spin this engine over just a little bit here and there. And we're going to put almost 6 quarts in there.